Hello and welcome to this tutorial on creating reactive UI with RxJava and Android. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the basics of RxJava and how to use it to create a responsive and dynamic UI in your Android applications. Firstly, let's talk about what reactive programming is. Reactive programming is an asynchronous programming paradigm that enables you to handle and respond to streams of data as they come into your application. In Android, reactive programming can be used to create reactive UI components that can respond dynamically to changes in state or data. So what is RxJava? RxJava is a Java implementation of Reactive, a popular open-source library that enables you to compose asynchronous and event-based programs using observable sequences. RxJava provides a framework for creating, filtering, transforming, and consuming these observable sequences to allow you to quickly and efficiently process streams of data in your Android applications. Okay, let's dive into the code now. Firstly, let's add the RxJava dependency to our Android project. Open the build, RADL file for your app and add the following line to your dependencies block. Now that we have RxJava added to our project, let's create a simple example that demonstrates how to use RxJava to create a reactive UI component. Let's create a button that changes its text whenever it is clicked. Firstly, let's declare our button in our layout.xml file. Add the following to your layout file. Next, let's add a click listener to our button that will change its text whenever it is clicked. Here's how to do that with RxJava. And that's it. Now, whenever the button is clicked, its text will change to clicked. Of course, this is just a simple example. RxJava is capable of much more than just updating the text of a button. You can use it to perform complex operations on data streams, filter data, transform data, and more. That's it for this tutorial on creating reactive UI with RxJava and Android. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!